Hey there, we are an adventure couple. For the past 3 weeks, we have been out and about the northern part of Vancouver Island. But last week, we decided to explore the sunny Campbell River. We hiked to the most scenic waterfall, floated down the icy mountain river, and free dived into the waters of the freshwater lake.
We decided to start with some local hike in the Elk River that's probably 5-10 minutes away from Campbell River. So let's go to see what this hike is all about. We missed our turn. We're supposed to go by road, by the bridge. What are you doing?
I'm picking berries. So look guys, these berries are, they look like raspberry, but also look like a blackberry too, but something in between. Anyways, so the name for those berries is a salmon berry, and it can be this orange color. It also comes into a red color, and it doesn't taste like raspberry. It's like sweet and sour at the same time. I can't really compare it to anything, but nice, and it grows everywhere, like literally along the roads, parks, everywhere. So free berries. When Jill was in the picture, they were talking about how the trees are home to like animals and birds and insects, I think. So. This was an incredible walk. We've been in this forest for over an hour right now, and honestly, so beautiful, so gorgeous out here. So many trees and birds and whatever else you want to call it. So such a tropical forest to me, honestly. I loved it.
That was a hard walk, yeah?
Yes, hot day today.
Yeah, it'll be a pleasure to swim in that beautiful river.
We're gonna try and do a float.
Float.
So legs first.
Hey, that's our second stop of the day. That was nice. That's our second stop of the day. We stop in this location and doing some hike because there is a nice waterfall. We found this pretty lake, so we're going snorkeling!
Honestly, we've just visited a small part of this Vancouver Island, but everywhere we went, we were surrounded by pure nature, and all I can say, it can be very therapeutic.
This lake is a hidden gem. It's a perfect stop after a long day, sweaty, hot, in the forest, walking through the parks.
It has been very hot, actually, abnormal, and this is a perfect spot for maybe taking a shower too.
Yes, I'm taking it for sure. What a nice evening. Let's make some fire with this beautiful sunset. It's gonna be nice end of our day.
Romantic.
A romantic day.